Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two all-season titans, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and the Falken EUROALL Season as210. Can the Falken challenge the reigning king? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops in 49.2 meters, which is 2.4 meters shorter than the Falken EUROALL Season as210's 51.6 meters. For wet handling, the Michelin averages a speed of 71.8 kilometers per hour, slightly faster than the Falken's 71.4 kilometers per hour. However, in straight aquaplaning, the Falken excels with a maximum slipping speed of 82.8 kilometers per hour, surpassing the Michelin's 80.5 kilometers per hour. When it comes to snow, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 is particularly strong. In snow braking, it stops in 27.3 meters, which is 1.8 meters shorter than the Falken EUROALL Season as210's distance of 29.1 meters. For snow traction, the Michelin generates a pulling force of 2,574 newtons, significantly higher than the Falken's 2,242 newtons. In snow handling, the Michelin averages a speed of 57 kilometers per hour, surpassing the Falken's 55 kilometers per hour. The Falken EUROALL Season as210 outperforms the Michelin CrossClimate 2 in mileage, lasting 59,199 kilometers compared to the Michelin's 43,840 kilometers. However, the Falken also has a higher abrasion rate, wearing down at 16.3 grams per 1,000 kilometers, whereas the Michelin wears at 14.3 grams per 1,000 kilometers. This higher mileage suggests the Falken has a much deeper tread depth compared to the Michelin CrossClimate 2. In dry conditions, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops in 39.9 meters during dry braking, which is 4.5 meters shorter than the Falken EUROALL Season as210's 44.4 meters. For dry handling, the Michelin averages a speed of 93.3 kilometers per hour, slightly faster than the Falken's 92.3 kilometers per hour. For exterior noise, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 produces 71.6 decibels, which is 1 decibels quieter than the Falken EUROALL Season as210's 72.6 decibels. In terms of rolling resistance, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 performs better with 7.24 coefficient value compared to the Falken EUROALL Season as210 coefficient value of 9.35. This lower rolling resistance contributes to better fuel efficiency, with the Michelin consuming 5.67 liters per 100 kilometers, slightly less than the Falken's 5.79 liters per 100 kilometers. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 excels in wet, snow, dry, and efficiency, while the Falken EUROALL Season as210 excels in mileage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.